Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I'm gonna share with you two turbo strategies, one for binary options and one for Forex. And these strategies, I'm gonna show you live right now how to trade and how to follow these simple steps to get a better results in your trades. Let's rock with this video. Okay guys, right now I'm just trading with the gold and USD and waiting to catch a good price, a good money for me ending this trading session. So basically I share with you my last video this strategy, how to trade and how to configure your indicators. We are gonna use three moving average. Let's go to some here. Okay, we are gonna use three moving average. One period 200 is this one here, one period 20 and one period 5. My last video I say with this strategy only need to follow the trend. Only we are gonna trade follow the trend. In this case, when the moving average 200 is above of the charts, we have a downtrend, right? And we are going to trade only when both moving average cross each other. For example, I taken this signal, waiting for this, it taken here, cross it, and I decided to trade for a put, right here, and crossing, and right now it's going down. See the charts in 1 hour. We see we have a stronger downtrend here. So what's a good decision for me taking this signal? What I need to do right now, I'll just need to protect my signal. I'm gonna leave it there and I'm gonna move a lot my take profit. When I see it going down more and more and more, I'm gonna drop it again and again and again to earn the more profits that I can earn with this turbo strategy for beginners. With these pairs, we move a lot of pips. Here is 400 pips with this simple strategy and this simple signal. The idea of this strategy is for those are totally beginners searching a good way to be rideable on Forex and earn money. The broker that I using is IC Market, and I know IC Market have a few issues the last March and the last year too. But I still working with it. I don't have too much in my balance because I dropped the money that I have with my MT4. I have $20 there, and right now just drop it to this account, and I want to see how much money I can earn with this simple strategy and how much money I can increase this $20 to, I don't know, to $1,000, and how much time I'm gonna take it for me make these profits. So this strategy is just to have patience, waiting for a good opportunity. I lost this chance here. Think about it. If I take this signal here and I drop it here, maybe I can earn, I don't know, $50 only in a few minutes. And doing something so simple is not too much, but depends how much money you have in your balance to use in this strategy. I say $50, but I have only my balance $20. So this means I'm gonna double my account with this strategy in a few minutes. Double my account in a few minutes with this turbo strategy for gold and USD. It's simple, guys. It don't require too much experience, but obviously you need to know how to work your broker. What is the spread price you have with your broker, and obviously practicing your demo account with this strategy. This is my live account, but practice with your demo account before to trade with your real account. I don't know what broker do you prefer, but I using this broker. It works well for me. Is the last years was, well, maybe the top 3 of the best brokers worldwide. Right now, I have a few doubts for that issue have on March with the Bitcoin wallet, but I still working with them. And let's go to see how ending these trades and these recording videos that I'm gonna upload in my YouTube channel to show you. Okay, I start with $20. How much money I earned on the last month? We are in November month. Let's go to see how ending this account in December when I ended these live trades for you. So what happened with this? Lester is going up. Why you don't close this trade? Well, I don't close this trade because this market is fractal. So doesn't matter what time frame we see at the market. It's gonna happen the same patterns again and again and again. My idea of this strategy is follow the money, follow the trend. If you have a stronger downtrend, we are gonna take it the downtrend. Obviously, the market is gonna have this little reverse all the time, but it's gonna continue with the downtrends happening here, happening here, happening here, and here, happen on these all scenarios. See? Think about it. Did I take this opportunity or this one here, and right now look in this, how much money I can earn? I lost that chances, but today I'm gonna still continue working with this strategy, and I'm gonna leave it open to see how much money I can earn with this simple signal. Take it today. Obviously, I'm gonna move my stop loss to protect my trade. But today, I'm gonna spend my day here sitting, watching my computer and moving my take profit and my stop loss all the time. So this is the first turbo strategy that I'm teaching you right now for beginners, and this is for Forex. If you're watching my videos in the last months and the last years, you know I'm working a lot with binary options, and this is another turbo strategy that I'm working right now. It's the same method we are gonna use in 200 moving average. See, it's the green one, and we are gonna use in two moving average, exponential moving average, one period 8 and one period 60, and we are gonna trade for 1 minute. When both moving average crossing each other. Is the same mechanic with the last strategy that I'm teaching you right now. So we are gonna trade for a put, and the moment they crossing both moving average here. Let's go to wait. This one was a signal for a call. Let's go to see this one here. We are gonna trade, and it's better trade only follow the trend. If we have the same rules, right? We have below of the charts, the two moving average 200, we have an uptrend, and when we have above the moving average period 200, we have a downtrend. So this is the way that works with these turbo strategies for binary options, and it's created for beginners. Both strategies is created for beginners. Why? I like it, the simple methods to earn money with both scenarios. With binary options, I know I have working a lot on the last year recording videos for you, and right now I'm gonna start recording more videos about Forex strategies, for Forex scalping strategies, actually day trader strategies. And the simple reason is because I like it, earn money with this. I have this one in the money, follow this simple strategy for binary options. Two amazing strategy, guys. Two amazing strategies, and you can learn a lot on this YouTube channel. I hope this video can help you to understand how to trade with this simple strategy for binary options. Lester, why you trade for a call if you have above of the charts the 200 moving average? Because it start changing right now. So what happened here? I taken this chance to earn money, a few dollars with this, well, $400. But right now the market, if we cross it down the yellow moving average with the white moving average, and then both is going down, we're gonna trade for a put again with this signal. But I see a stronger uptrend here. So it's just to wait and have patience to take the better opportunity for you. So I hope this video like it. Tomorrow I'm gonna upload another video show you where touching my stop loss if I quick with this signal, because my emotions are part of this too right now. I just waiting for I don't know. I gonna close it right now. The trade I earning only a few dollars right now is enough to earning. I don't know what country you live, but if you want or earn, I don't know, $20 in 20 minutes, every 20 minutes, how much money you can earn per month if you follow this simple advice. Respect the indicators. Respect the indicators. The indicators are there for one reason, and the reason is help you to make money and help you to don't lose money too. So respect the indicators. I hope this video like it. Smash this video, leave your comments, and see you in the next wave.